Everybody, my name is Joe Shannon, and my law firm, Shannon Law Group, helps folks that have been injured or suffered side effects due to vaccine injuries. We help people throughout the country in the U.S. Court of Claims. And so today I'm here with John Svitak. John is a member of Shannon Law Group and has written this really great book. It's called Vaccine Injuries, Understanding the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program. First of all, I'd like to welcome John. How are you doing today, John?
I'm good, Joe. Thanks for having me on.
No, that's great. You know, you're doing important work, and with all the vaccines that are going on nowadays, it's important for folks to understand what their rights are when they are injured. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about what the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program is.
It's a government-funded program where the government is setting up a fund for people who experience side effects or injuries from vaccinations. And the reason this fund was created was to, first of all, protect manufacturers of vaccines and providers of vaccines from lawsuits, because that's originally what people would do if they got injured by a vaccine, was to sue their provider or the vaccine manufacturer. But in exchange for that protection, the manufacturers and the providers have to pay a tax on every vaccine dose that they provide. And all of these taxes get compiled into a fund. In the event of a vaccine injury, petitioners can petition for compensation out of this fund.
Okay, so let's back this up here. The folks that are paying for this are the pharmaceutical companies, right?
Right, for every dose of a vaccine that they make.
How long does a person have to file a claim?
So you have 3 years from the date of your injury to bring a claim in the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program.
One of the saddest calls that we get here at the firm is that when somebody calls and it's 3.5 years since they had the shot, they suffered through it all that time, and then they call and they basically missed the statute of limitation. So if somebody has a problem with a vaccination, they should absolutely, number one, seek treatment for it from a healthcare professional. But also in the back of their mind, they should be thinking, hey, this could be a permanent problem. I may want to take a look into the vaccine injury program.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing that I have come across in my experience is not only are people unaware that these things do occur, but doctors are also unaware of the connections between these vaccines and injuries. So talk to your doctors, about any symptoms that you have following vaccines, because that's the best way to figure out if something's going on.
Folks want to learn more about the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program, which is this book that John has put together. You can get a free copy of this book by clicking on the link on the description of this video below. And if you like this video, please hit the button that says subscribe to our channel, and you'll be getting more updates from John, because this is an area that constantly changes. We're going to give updates, and we'll be giving them on this channel. And if anyone you know or love suffered an adverse reaction as a result of the vaccine, we may be able to assist you. Contact us for a free consultation. Obviously, anything that we do with the program is free to you, because the big pharmaceutical companies are the ones that eventually end up paying for attorney's fees, and not you. Are there any final comments you want to make, John?
Again, this is just an area of law that not many people know about. Not many people know about the program, and not many people know that these injuries, do happen. So the more, people learn about this, I think the safer that we'll all be, and the better informed we'll all be.